meant to be in kitchen. Many bosses think like that. Even husbands. They are still in the Stone Age. Are women not capable of taking critical decisions? Are women not capable of driving large organizations? At Iron Lady community, we see thousands of women grabbing top positions in top companies.
Only I gained 3+ promotions in 3 years. But my daughter is also doing brilliantly in her studies.
That I got a job offer with 100% of hike.
Yes, it was a double promotion and a 50% hike in my package as well.
I have reached out now to the Middle East and Germany, two countries where I'm getting a positive response.
Breakthrough was getting a job which was at an 80% hike.
I have received a 50% hike.
Women have the natural ability to maximize in every area that matters. If you are someone who is looking at managing your family as also driving billion-dollar companies in senior positions, join Iron Lady Masterclass today. Let us stop balancing, start maximizing and keep winning.